In this series, we will learn everything about car seats and about child safety in the car. For your highest safety, it is important that your child is being installed correctly in the car seat. But how do you know what is correct? Remember to always avoid thick outerwear in the car, even if you are a child or an adult. Look here how much air that is in between the thick outerwear and the child's body. This makes the harness not tight enough, and in the worst case scenario, the child can even slip out of the car seat. In a rear-facing car seat, the seatbelt should go over the shoulder, straight back, and of course be tight. The headrest should be in a safe position. To ensure simplicity, the harness and headrest are adjusted together in most car seats. Today, there are even car seats that do this automatically so that your child gets a safer position as possible. Least but not last, if you choose to install your rear-facing car seat in the passenger front seat, the airbag must be turned off.